Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video for the Homvana if your humidifier is not working. Now, I was researching like how to actually fix the issue because I know if it's not like turning on for you at all, or if you have don't have a lot of mist there, because if you don't have a lot of mist, the procedure is different. If it's not working at all, what you can try to do is just like completely plug it out and use different outlet, let's say. And if it's not working, that is like something in there is just not reacting, then again plug it out, use a different wait 5 to 10 minutes, just wait it out, and then just like plug it back in. And maybe this advice is going to be completely pointless and you're going to say it didn't work at all, I didn't help. Just let me down below in the comments if you have a mist problem, because if you have, let's say your humidifier stopped misting, then the procedure is different. You have to unplug and plug the adapter, then change the mist level to high 2, clean deposit if there is on atomizer, check if there are 2 dashes when turning on the humidifier, if this reinstalled working by following the line sign. So for every kind of like product, the procedure is different. I'm just curious, if it's not working, just try to unplug it. But if it's something with the mist, then you can actually get this on the homvana.shop pages, FAQs, and you can actually check what to do here regarding the mist problem. I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to fix it, maybe not. I'm sorry. Goodbye.